Welcome to this mini lesson about creating videos in Canva. My name is Lekes and I'm here today to give you a short tutorial on how to create videos and animations in the popular digital design app Canva. What sets Canva apart from the rest is the availability itself and the wide array of templates, including the ability to create your own. Imagine you're creating a video of an event that's significant to your organization. You arrive at the event, take some footage of the most important faces and people attending, and then you go home or to work, to your computer to edit your video in some complicated video editing software. With Canva, you can shoot the video on your phone, then immediately edit it with the easy-to-use mobile editor in the app, and then publish it for everyone to see, all before you leave the event. You are left with way more time after you arrive home, which you can use for whatever purpose you need. If you want, you can revisit the video on the desktop Canva app, as they are both synchronized and offer the same functions. Now imagine you create an interview where people from your organization talk about important topics, and then you need to create 5 more interviews. Normally, you would have to create each one separately with intros, outros, flashcards and transitions. With Canva, you can create one video template from the first video and then just replace the interview with different footage and the in-video text with new text, all in a few minutes. In a previous lesson, we have looked at the Canva interface with regards to the creation of graphics and images. The video interface in Canva is mostly the same, with the exception of the video timeline, which replaces the pages at the bottom of the screen in the graphic editor. Unlike the Pages menu, which contains separate designs, the video timeline contains scenes in chronological order. That means that the first scene is the first thing the viewers will see, and then video will progress all the way to the last scene. In between the scenes, you can place transitions, which will make the changing of scenes smoother or more interesting. In my experience, there are 3 main rules for online video to be successful. 1. Don't be boring. People are faced with hundreds and hundreds of video content every day. The attention span that the average person has delegated for the story you want to tell is measured in seconds. The main purpose of the first part of your video is to convince the recipient to keep watching and hear out what you have to say. This cannot be achieved by uninteresting visuals or monotone voiceover. 2. Keep your brand visible. You can have the most all-around fascinating video on your hands, but if nobody can remember that it was made by you, you lose the ability to propagate your organization and its goals. Especially if you work in an NGO that is dependent on new donations, volunteers, or overall support of other people, you need to make yourselves heard and seen. You can achieve this by adding your logo to the corner of the video, adding intros or outros, or mentioning your organization in the script of the video. 3. Be personal. People like other people way more than they like brands, organizations, or companies. And above all else, people love personal stories. When telling a story, it's best to center it around a person rather than a cause or an organization. If you're able to twist your overall point in a way that links it to a relatable personal story, you have a way bigger chance to captivate your viewers' attention. Here's a quick tutorial on how to create a video in Canva. First, select Create a Design, and from the menu, you choose a format that has video in the title, such as Facebook video. In the sidebar, you can choose a template from the Design tab or start from scratch. Upload your own video footage or choose a stock video from the Videos option on the sidebar. You can edit the length of the video and add many text or additional elements. Any element included in the video itself can have an animation. Add scenes by the Add Page button until you have everything you need. When you're finished, you can preview the video by clicking the play button in the top right corner. If you're satisfied with your result, export the video by clicking Share and then Download. Creating animation follows the same basic steps as when creating a video, except instead of merely stitching videos together, you put different elements in your scenes and then move them around various ways. Create your scene as you would create a static image, except have in mind how you would like your elements to move. Then select your individual element and then click Animate in the top menu. You can either animate an appearance, a disappearance, or a line movement between the beginning and the end of the scene. There are several styles of these animations you can choose from. Thank you for your attention and good luck with creating your videos.